Hi, I'm Gord from English Cycle Centre in London, Ontario. We're a multi-line motorcycle dealer, Yamaha dealer for over 40 years. Yamaha has released a factory update campaign for Yamaha R3 motorcycles. So we're trying to get the word out to all Yamaha R3 owners that their motorcycle may qualify for a couple factory update campaigns. This is not a recall, but we treat it like a recall. R3s that have gone through our service department, we are contacting those owners, trying to get a hold of them, and let them know that the campaign is available. These factory update campaigns are free of charge. Again, they're not a recall, but we treat them like a recall. Factory update campaign means that Yamaha has found a possible problem with a component on their motorcycle. They have a fix for it, and they want to maintain the rideability and the expectation that people have of top quality Yamaha product. You can contact us at English Cycle 519-455-3840 extension 235, or you can always email us to our service department, and that would be service1@englishcycle.com. So that would be SERVICE, the digit 1 @englishcycle.com. We would need your serial number of your motorcycle to verify if it has any outstanding campaigns. The 2015 to 2016 Yamaha R3 may qualify for a shift return spring replacement. 2015 to 2018 may qualify for a coolant hose replacement. Again, doesn't matter who owns the motorcycle, and this is a factory update campaign, so there'd be no charge to the consumer. Again, feel free to contact our dealership or contact any other Yamaha dealer. Thank you very much.